first time on a train, so that's gonna be exciting.
Very excited for the journey.
Yeah. How long is the journey?
It's almost 4.5, 5 hours.
It's so early, so that's why probably it's not that crowded. How are we feeling?
Excited.
It's my brother's first ride, like train ride ever.
Yeah.
Ever.
Epa.
In how many years of life?
32.
We gave him the window seat so he can see everything.
But I young.
Yeah?
Still young. 32 young.
32 young. If anyone's interested.
Don't call.
Oh, I got scared. I was like, no, our guides.
Our guides.
My husband and brother, they went to get like snacks and tea and stuff, so
We're alone.
we're alone.
Estamos perdidas.
Perdidas.
Perdidas. Chai.
About 2 hours from Jaipur comes the Sambar Lake. It is India's largest inland salt lake, spread over 90 square kilometers. It hardly has water enough to be called a lake, but during monsoon, the lake turns into a pink wetland. How's the chai?
Amazing. Chai chai.
We have arrived in Jodhpur, heading to the hotel. How are you feeling?
Scared. We've been in cars before. This is the first time we're like kind of open. Yeah. And at least the traffic seems like chill, but we'll see.
Yeah.
It's like a video game. Oh, you have those. What the hell? What the hell? Ay, ay, ay.
India, eh?
Uh-huh. We just made it to the hotel or Airbnb, I don't know what it is. And it's so nice. It's somebody's house that they turned it into a hotel, sort of.
Yeah.
And it's so nice. Like, it's very rustic.
Yeah.
And now we're heading out to eat something.
Yeah.
And yeah. Adios. In case you didn't notice what happened, he bumped his head, and he bumped his head every time he got out of the bathroom.
Toing.
Toing, toing, toing after toing. These are our neighbors. Let's see if they're awake. Let's go eat. The detail is next level.
And every door has a representation of lords.
Oh,
see
yeah.
this flower round,
Floor
and
drama.
then the sculpture. And I think they have
Nataraj.
Nataraj.
That's the Lord. Wow. Aquí se casó Nick Jonas.
Built in 1943 and named after Maharaja Umed Singh, Umed Bhavan Palace was the first spot we started our Jodhpur trip with.
The owner of this palace, of this humble home.
A part of the palace is a museum which has exhibits of glass, porcelain wares, and information on the building of the palace. There was an impressive collection of clocks in interesting windmill and lighthouse shapes.
Why is it here? They misplaced an item. This is not supposed to be here.
Something probably.
Well, there's some bases this and this, and they're not what? Clocks, so what's going on? Someone's gonna get fired.
It is one of the world's largest private residences that has 347 rooms, several courtyards, and a large banquet hall which could accommodate up to 300 people. It is divided into three parts. First part is a hotel managed by Taj Hotels, and per night rate is almost $2,000. That is the rent we pay in Canada. Fun fact, Nick Jonas and Priyanka Chopra got married here as well.
Priyanka Chopra Jonas, which means they make good money between the concerts and the Bollywood and Hollywood now. Wow.
Second part is a museum for public. Third part is the residence of the royal family.
So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.
So what's this called?
I don't know.
Oh, good.
It's okay, buddy, I got you. Actually, the name of this monument is Jaswant Thada. Built in 1899 by Maharaja Sardar Singh in memory of his father Maharaja Jaswant Singh. The monument is built out of intricately carved sheets of marble. These sheets are extremely thin and polished so that they emit a warm glow when illuminated by the sun. It features carved gazebos, a garden, and a small lake. What you're seeing right now serves as a cremation ground for the royal Rajput family of the region. Mehrangarh Fort was the last spot of our Jodhpur trip. Built in 1459 by Rajput ruler Rao Jodha, this fort has 7 gates and every gate has a significance.
In this part, my brother-in-law was telling us to not speak because we already look Indian, so we might as well just take advantage of it.
And don't buy a foreigner ticket.
Exactly.
So that's the prototype of Mehrangarh Fort.
These are the 15 small handprints left by the wives of the Maharaja before they sacrificed themselves on his funeral. Crazy, right? This custom was practiced widely in the Rajasthan area. These are beautifully crafted hodas, generally decorated with mirror and velvet. They were used to carry wealthy nobles to warfare, ceremonies, processions, and hunting.
Opium myrtle, the grand opium, and we have filtered through these filters.
Yeah.
Then first they offer to Lord Shiva. You can see the small temple of Lord Shiva. Then one person fill the palm with opium liquid and offer each and every guest to drink. So that we call opium ceremony.
Okay.
It is illegal, but we use it a lot.
These are some of the stones and minerals that they used to do marwar paintings. In the 18th century, Jodhpur fostered a flourishing painter atelier where artists produced thousands of miniature paintings that now form the royal collection. As you can see, these are some of the characteristics of those specific paintings, like pink rocks, large fields of gold, rolling clouds, and much more. Among them are many large format ones showing epic narratives that Jodhpur is well known for. These were first developed by the atelier of Maharaja Vijay Singh.
Phool Mahal, also known as Flower Palace, is a beautifully decorated hall in the Mehrangarh Fort. The hall served the purpose of a pleasure dome of the Maharajas, where the female dancers would perform and stay there.
Very fun fact, the fort was also one of the filming locations for Disney's live-action film The Jungle Book, as well as The Dark Knight Rises.
So that's the view of Jodhpur city from the top of the fort.
This room was the nursery, but Rohan was to focus on getting the right shot, that he missed all the cradles and the mirrors that ladies use to watch outside without being seen.
Now you're looking at beautiful Pearl Palace that serves as a room for private guests to the fort.
Where are you taking me? कहाँ जा रहे हो? कहाँ जा रहे हो?
अच्छा अच्छा.
कहाँ जा रहे हो means where are you going? So we have completed the visit for Nangad Fort. This was the last spot of the day. I'm pretty roasted, as you can see.
See.
She's also very roasted.
Yes, but you can't really see until I show you something here.
So now we're heading for lunch, and then we go back to our room, get some rest. And Raji,
A large portion of Jodhpur has been painted in blue color. Well, there are a few reasons for it. First, it is believed that the blue color helps in keeping the interiors of the house cool during hot summers. Second, in the past, several historic buildings of Jodhpur were damaged by the termites. Therefore, it is believed that the blue color keeps the termites away.
At night, we went to a rooftop restaurant to experience Mehrangarh Fort beautiful lights.
से स्वागत है हमारी पहचान पधारो हमारे देश राजस्थान
And finally, our Jodhpur trip came to an end. We are at the railway station waiting for the train.
excited? We are on our way to Jaipur, and then we're gonna catch flight to Chandigarh. And Pamalita is laying down.
Sort of.
How are you feeling?
Like my neck is gonna crack at one point.
Your neck's gonna crack?
Yes.
Oh. Just move that bag and lay down. There's one seat here, there's one on top. But your brother, he just wants to sit and sleep.
I don't understand why.
He wants to sleep, but he wants to sit sleep.